Hey everybody, welcome once again to Flickr Brain. In today's video, I'm making an update regarding the last video I made on this channel earlier this month, the account I am working on with my arbitrage method. So okay guys, you can see my live dashboard and you have seen what we have done so far on that particular account. You can even see this month so far. Just look at what we have generated so far this month from the account, and you can see what we have generated today so far. You can see the CPC. The CPC is very high. You can see the amount of clicks, and you can see the amount of impression. The RPM alone is going to tell you that this method I work with is not a random method, because those random method you're working with, you will notice that you can't get this high RPM. So there's a secret to this my success. Okay, so aside that, this account I'm working with is an account that has a little bit of organic traffic, though the organic traffic is not much, but it's sometimes it gets up to 1,000 organic traffic normally. Okay, and this is a good niche. Okay, so this system I work with, it can work on any niche, but you must rewrite the articles, because most of you, I believe the articles you're working with are not worth it. Okay, because this method I'm working with here is basically arbitrage method. So any individual that is coming to your website must gain value. Okay, so if you want to also know the system I work with, you can check my link in the description box. That is a link to reach out to me one-on-one, and we can talk more on what you're working with, and I can also show you my strategy. We'll talk more on that. And also, if you have a good AdSense account that have received payment in the past, and it also have organic traffic, you can also book that your account for next year, because this year I'm not open for partnership anymore. A lot of accounts on my hand, but you can book that account for next year partnership. All right, so guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll drop some updates for you guys on what's on board. Okay, so stay tuned and watch out for the next video.